This is a Abron furnace. It has inside. There you can put the thermometer outside so that you can check the temperature inside. And there is a manual which I am taking out. This has a this blanket is there for, and inside is a porcelain chamber which is heat resistant. Now I can close, putting the sample inside. I can close it. Then I have to switch it on. When I switch it on, I can see the main power is coming. This is the main power
from the source.
No, main power from the main source is coming. Temperature is now set. The temperature I set temperature is 130 degree. I can reduce it by bring it down. For testing, I just want to show you only 50 degree, 51 degree, and I can increase it by this. Let us make it 60 degree. Then I put this. Now this is the inside temperature. Inside and heating is going on. This tells load, means going on heating, and temperature is increasing. Now you can see temperature is increasing. This has become 23.
Our desired is 60 degrees centigrade.
We can push and check the temperature, desired temperature. In this case, we can check it. By pushing it, we can check it is their temperature. We push it back, it becomes the temperature what we want. Now it is increasing. Just to show that this is working and how the temperature is going to increase, let me make it 40. Instead of 60, I make it 40. Just to show you the temperature working, I make it 40. So this is now heating is, here is a 1 heating and 2 heating. And this is second heating. There are 2 heaters shown. I can make it 1 slow heating. Now inside,
1 is slow heating, 2 is
2 is high heating. You know, this is 1 heating, another is 2 heating. So this is faster heating, slow heating. Now the temperature has become 30. I have set the 40. On 40 it stopped. You see, on 40 this is the set. This is the set temperature, and this is the inside temperature. It is increasing now because furnace is mostly used for above 100 degrees. So let me make it 100 degree. I set again, once again, this increase to 50 degree or 60 degree. I can make it 50 degree now. Test it again. Now heating has again started. So it is now 40 degree inside temperature. What is my set temperature if I want to check? Press it. You see present temperature 50. It will automatically go back. Now 44 is there.
Yeah.
Now this is going
It is
to
reaching
increase.
50 degrees centigrade.
Yeah, this will reach 50 degrees centigrade. And this is a furnace, Muffel furnace. The panel has very simple. This is main current coming from the main 220 volt, and load means heating is going on. Now at 48, 49, I have set the temperature 50. So this will stop. This will also stop. This will also stop. Now both have stopped. Now it is 50 degrees. You can put the thermometer from here. The hole is there. To put the thermometer to check the inside temperature, actual temperature inside. Although this is also accurate, but if you want to recheck it,
The actual one.
These are Abron Exports. Please visit our website and send us your order. Now the testing is complete.